In this video, we will discuss how to treat cough. Cough is a reflex action that occurs when the body's airways, including throat, bronchi, and lungs, are irritated. It is a natural mechanism used by the body to clear the airways of foreign particles, mucus, or irritants. Coughing is often associated with respiratory conditions such as common cold, flu, bronchitis, pneumonia, or allergies. There are two major types of cough: productive cough and non-productive cough. Productive cough. This type of cough produces mucus and is often seen with respiratory infections like bronchitis or pneumonia. It helps to clear the airways by expelling the excess mucus or irritants. Second, non-productive cough. Non-productive cough, also known as dry cough. This type of cough doesn't produce any mucus. It may be caused by irritation in the throat, viral infections, allergies, or exposure to irritants such as smoke or dust. Coughs can vary in severity and durations. While most coughs are temporary and resolve on their own within a few weeks, persistent or chronic coughs lasting longer than 8 weeks may require medical attention, as they can be sign of underlying the health conditions. Medications normally used to treat normal cough. First of all, cough suppressants. These medications help reduce cough. They are commonly available over the counter and contain ingredients like dextromethorphan or codeine. Cough suppressants are generally used for dry non-productive coughs. Second, expectorants. These medications help to thin and loosen mucus, making it easier to cough up. They are useful for productive cough with excessive mucus. Guaifenesin is a commonly used expectorant. Third, mucolytics. The medications are prescribed in case of very thick and stubborn mucus. They help break down and thin out the mucus, making it easier to clear. An example of mucolytic is acetylcysteine. Fourth, antihistamines. If a cough is due to allergies or post-nasal drip, antihistamines may be recommended. They can help to reduce nasal congestion and post-nasal drip. When which can trigger a cough. Sometimes antihistamine can also have a mild cough suppressing effects. Some brand names which can be used to treat cough. First of all, cough suppressants. Robitussin DM, Delsym, Nyquil cough. Second, expectorants. Mucinex, Robitussin mucus plus chest congestions, chestal honey cough and chest congestion relief. Number 3, mucolytics. Mucomyst, acetylcysteine. Number 4, antihistamines. Benadryl, Clarithin, Zyrtec. There are just few examples. There are many brand names and generic alternate available in the different regions. It's important to note that brand names may vary depending on the country or region, and it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or pharmacist to determine the most suitable option for your specific needs. They can provide and guidance on the appropriate medication and dosage based on your individual circumstances. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informations.